While the International Court of Justice found by a 12-4 majority on Friday last that it has jurisdiction to hear the border controversy case between Guyana and Venezuela, the Spanish-speaking country is now repudiating the court's decision, stating that the court is making an incomprehensible and unusual mistake, not only in terms of Venezuela's lack of consent to such jurisdiction, but in admitting an object of litigation different from the substantial object of the dispute as defined by the 1966 Geneva Agreement. In its ruling on Friday, the president of the World Court, Abdul Quai Yusuf, stated that while Venezuela's absence from the hearing may have a negative impact on the course of justice, the judgment of the court will be final and binding on both parties regardless. A statement emanating from the office of the Venezuelan Minister of Foreign Affairs, Jorge Araiza, iterated that the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela repudiates the judgment issued by the ICJ in the aforementioned terms, while once again claiming the validity of the Geneva Agreement of 1966 and ratifying that it will continue to exercise its just claim, given the gross fraud involved in the arbitration award of 1899 to the detriment of Venezuela's territorial integrity. The statement continued, and I quote, "Venezuela reiterates its call that this controversy is channeled in an amicable manner and proposes the initiation of direct negotiations with the Cooperative Republic of Guyana, in compliance with international law and based on the Geneva Agreement of 1966, which mandates both parties to resolve this controversy in a peaceful manner." End quote. On March 29, 2018, then Foreign Affairs Minister Carl Greenidge had approached the World Court, ICJ, seeking a final juridical settlement to the controversy, citing that the claim over Guyana's territory has long stymied the country's development, among other things. On Friday last, the court laid out its majority decision that it did have jurisdiction to hear the case, and even though Venezuela has declined to participate in the proceedings, the decision handed down by the court would be final and binding to all parties. While this newscast reached out to the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, Hugh Todd, for a comment, he would only say that he has not yet seen Venezuela's response to the matter and therefore refrained from issuing further comments. Wendell Badrie, HGP Nightly News.